Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drift a Mazda MX-5. First, ensure your vehicle is properly prepared for drifting, which typically means having a limited slip differential. This crucial component helps distribute power evenly to both rear wheels, allowing for sustained slides. Always choose a safe, controlled environment, such as a dedicated track or a very large, empty paved area, to practice. Begin at lower speeds to safely learn how your car reacts. To initiate a drift, you have a few primary methods. The clutch kick involves quickly depressing and releasing the clutch while applying throttle, sending a shock of power to the rear wheels. Alternatively, a brief, firm pull on the handbrake can momentarily lock the rear wheels, breaking traction. For a power over, simply apply significant throttle mid-turn, overwhelming the rear tire's grip. Experiment to find what feels most natural for you. Once the slide begins, immediate countersteering is essential. Turn the steering wheel quickly in the direction the rear of the car is sliding to catch and maintain the drift. Your throttle input becomes your primary control for the drift angle and speed. More throttle widens the angle, less tightens it. Remember to look where you want the car to go, not directly at the obstacle, as your hands will naturally follow your eyes. To recover from a drift, smoothly reduce your throttle input while gradually unwinding the countersteer. The car will naturally straighten out as grip returns to the rear wheels. Mastering drifting takes significant practice, so be patient and consistent with your efforts. Each session builds crucial muscle memory and refines your car control. And speaking of enhancing experiences, check out the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.